Good morning friends. Previously in this chapter we learned about the equation. What is equation? Equation means it is a condition on variable. Equation means it is a condition on variable. So in algebraic chapter, if we want to find that it is equation or not, that we need to consider the variable, and on that we need to identify which condition is applied, which operation is applied. Condition means some operation is applied on variable. So equation is condition on variable. Also we learn what is the solution of equation. So what is solution of equation? Equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So solution of equation is a value of variable for which left hand side is equal to right hand side. Previously we learned one example in which we take 2n is equal to 4. And we identify that if we take n is equal to 2, then that n is equal to 2 becomes solution of equation. Why? Because if we take value of n as a 2, right hand side will be 4 and left hand side that is already given 4. That's why n is equal to 2 will be solution of equation. So again solution of equation is value of variable for which left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means it satisfies the equation. Okay. Also, if some general statement is given, for example, if we take 6 by 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Now this is equation or not? You can consider this as an equation, but it is not an algebraic equation. Why? Because there is no value. It is a numerical equation, it is not an algebraic equation. So here 6 by 3, that is what? 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. That is minus 2. So this is our answer for 6 by 3 minus 4, and this is right hand side that is given. So both are same, means this is numerical equation. So if it is asked that it is equation or not, then you can consider this one as an equation, but it is a numerical equation. Equation means both left hand side and right hand side must be equal, and there must be equal to sign between them. Now solution of equation. If we consider one algebraic equation, for example 2x plus 3. So if we take it is, now for which value of x we get 5? If we take x is equal to 1, how we can find the solution? We can take different values of x. It is called trial and error method. We need to take different values of x and we need to check, are we getting right hand side? If we get the right hand side, then it is a solution of equation. So here if we take x is equal to 1, it means 2 is multiplied with x, so it is 2 multiplied with 1 plus 3. 2 multiplied 1 is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now if we take x is equal to 1, we get right hand side. So x is equal to 1 is a solution of equation. One more example, if we take 3x plus 5, that is 0. If we take 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's take x is equal to 1. You can consider, you can start from 0 also. Sometimes solution of equation can be 0. If you take x is equal to 1 means instead of x you need to write 1 in a right hand side, left hand side. So 3, 1 plus 5. So that is 3 plus 5. It is 8, not equal to right hand side. Now next, if we take x is equal to 2. So 3 multiplied 2 plus 5. 3 2 is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So it is equal to right hand side. So what is solution of equation? X is equal to 2 is solution of given equation. So this way we can consider it is solution or not. How we can find it is solution? If we write the value in a left hand side and we get a right hand side, then it is a solution. So let's take some example in which value of variables are given and you need to find the value, it is solution or not. So here first equation is x plus 10 is equal to 30 and value of x is given 10. Now we need to find x is equal to 10 is a solution of equation. How we can say it is solution or not? Whenever we write value of x is equal to 10 in left hand side and if we get 30, then it is solution. So let's write left hand side is what? X plus 10. But our value x of x is given 10. So instead of x, if we write 10, so it is 20 and 20 is not equal to 30. It is not equal to right hand side. So it is not a solution of given equation. X is equal to 10 is not a solution. Next one, x is equal to 30. Again, we need to write value left hand side. So again, our left hand side is x plus 30. So 30 plus 10. Instead of x, we need to write 30. So we get 40 and it is not equal to right hand side. So again, it is not a solution of given equation. For next, x plus 10 is equal to 30, that is equation, and x is equal to 20, that is given value of x. So in equation, instead of x, we need to write 20. So left hand side, here 20 plus 10, that is 30. If we write 20 here, then 20 plus 10 is 30 and it is a right hand side. So yes, it is a solution of equation. So x is equal to 20 is a solution of given equation. Next, p minus 3 is equal to 7. Here we need to take p as a 5. So let's check it is solution or not. Instead of p, we need to write 5 here. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. It is not equal to 7. So it is not equal to right hand side. And it is not a solution. Same for next one, p minus 3 is equal to 7. So here we need to take p as a 15. So left hand side is 15 minus 3. So that will give 12. Now 12 is not equal to 7. So it is not equal to right hand side. So not a solution of given equation. Now p minus 3 is equal to 7. Take p as a 10. So here we need to write 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. That is the right hand side. So yes, it is the solution of given equation. 3n is equal to 21 and here we need to take n as a 9. So instead of n, if we write 9 in the left hand side, then we get 3 multiply 9. Now n is in a multiplication with 3. So 9, 3 is 27 and that is not equal to 21. So not a solution. Again 3n is equal to 21. Here we need to take n as a 7. So left hand side is 3 multiply 7, that is 21 is equal to right hand side. So yes, it is a solution of given equation. Next one, t by 5 is equal to 4 and here we need to consider t as a 25. So in left hand side we need to write value of t 25. So left hand side is 25 by 5. So it gives 5, not 4. So not equal to right hand side. So not a solution of equation. For next one, t by 5 is equal to 4. We need to write value of t 20. So left hand side is 20 by 5. 20 by 5. So that will give 4. It is equal to right hand side. So yes, it is a solution of equation. Next one, 12 plus 3 is equal to 7. N is equal to 5. So here instead of N, we need to write 5 in a left hand side. And if we get 7, then it is a solution. So let's write 2 multiplies 5 plus 3. N is 5 So here we need to write 5. So 10 plus 3, that is 30. Not equal to 7. It means not equal to right hand side. So not a solution. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then only it is the solution of equation. 12 plus 3 is equal to 7 and n is 1 given. So let's check it is solution or not. 2 multiply 1 plus 3. So it is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Not equal to right hand side. So not a solution of equation. Next one, 12 plus 3 is equal to 7 and we need to take L as a 2. So left hand side, 2 multiply 2 plus 3, so that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So now we get right hand side. So yes, it is a solution of equation. So this way you can check the number given, or you can say value given of variable is a solution of equation or not. How? You need to place a value of variable inside the left hand side and you can check it is equal to right hand side. If it is true, then it is solution of equation. Now we will start exercise 11.5. Question number 1. State which of the following are equation with a variable. Some of the statements are given in which it is not an equation with variable, so we need to find which are the equation with variable. Give the reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equation with variable. I already explained in the starting that it may be possible that you have equation which are only numerical equation. But here in this question you need to find it is equation with variable. If it is equation with variable, then find out variable, and you need to give the reason for our answer. So first, 17 is equal to x plus 7. Now here variable is x. It is equation because there is equal to sign. So we can say it is an equation. Reason is what? Because left hand side is equal to right hand side. How we can say? Equal to sign is given and variable is x. Now next, t minus 7 is greater than 5. So whenever greater than sign is given, it is not an equation. So we can write it is not an equation. Reason, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And variable is given. If it is not equation, then it is not necessary that you need to write variable. If you want to write, then you can write variable is t. Next is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 4 by 2, if we divide this 4 by 2, you get 2. But it is not an equation with variable. So we can write it is not an equation with variable. It is an equation, but it is a numerical equation. It is not an equation with variable. Here you can consider left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you can consider this as a numerical equation. Now next one, 7 multiply 3 minus 19 is equal to 8. If you solve the left hand side, 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 19 is what? 2, not 8. So it is not an equation. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So not an equation. Not even a numerical equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand. Statement is incorrect. Next is 5 multiply 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. So here equal to sign is given. Whenever numerical equation is given, you can check left hand side and right hand side directly. If both is correct and statement is correct, then it can be a numerical equation. So 5 multiply 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. Here equal to sign is given. So it is an equation. Reason left hand side is equal to right hand side. Variable can be on right hand side, then it is also an equation. And what is variable? Variable is x. Next, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again there is an equal to sign, so it is an equation. Reason left hand side is equal to right hand side, and variable is x. Next, 2m less than 30, so it is not an equation. Reason left hand side is not equal to right hand side. You can consider variable is n. 2n plus 1 is equal to 11, so yes, it is an equation. Now, what is reason? It is left hand side is equal to right hand side, and variable is n. So you can write variable is n. Next one, 7 is equal to 11 multiplied 5 minus 12 multiplied 4. So 11 multiplied 5 is 55 minus 48, so it is 7. So we get if we solve right hand side, we get a left hand side. So 7 and this side is also 7, so it is a numerical equation. You can consider left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is here we don't have any variable, so that's why it is not an algebraic equation. Next, 7 is equal to 11 multiplied 2 plus p. Again, both left hand side is equal to right hand side given. That is our reason. Why? Because it is an equation and variable is p. Next one, 20 is equal to 5y. So again it is an equation. Reason left hand side is equal to right hand side and variable is y. Next one, 3 cube by 2 less than 5. So it is not an equation. You can write reason here that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. For next one, z plus 12 is greater than 24. So again it is not an equation. Reason left hand side is not equal to right hand side. For next one, 20 minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied 15. Let's solve this. 20 minus 10 minus 5 is 5. So it is 15. And this side is also 15. If we solve left hand side, we get 15 and right hand side is also 15, but it is a numerical equation. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is and there is no value. 7 minus x is equal to 5. So yes, it is an equation. Reason is same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side and variable is x.